This is my plastic bag holders, as you can see here. It's really pretty. I chose this color because as my fridge is black, it would basically stand out and look pretty. So I have it here stuck on the side of my fridge. It comes with some hooks, like adhesive hooks. I just had to remove the back of the adhesive and of the hooks and just stick it on my fridge. Maybe you may need to add some glue if you need more reinforcement. And this is what the bag looks like. It's like a sort of a canvas sort of a fabric, quite pretty. There's two in the pack. This is the bottom of the bag. It's elastic opening, like, so you can basically pull the plastic bag at the bottom from here, and this is the top, the opening of the bag. This is the handle. Simple bag, and it's very sturdy and strong. It could hold quite a few bags, and like I said before, two comes in the pack. So you put the plastic bags. I use them as garbage bags, really, when I get the bags from the grocery store, and I put them in here and just basically just pull from the bottom here when I'm ready to use another bag. For anything, pull out one, use it. If I have another one to add to this bag, just put it to the top, and that's it. Quite simple. I really like this. It's quite convenient and great idea, simple idea, and it works. It works. Super awesome.